Well, firstly, I'd say the public sector, local government, it's a fantastic place to develop your career and pursue your career. And I think if you, like me, really believe in public services and the value of public services and the importance of that to people who live in Wales and our communities, if you believe in that, then it's a really rewarding place to pursue your career. I think what's really important, whatever you do, whether it's public sector or elsewhere, you've really got to believe in it. You've got to want to do it. You've got to enjoy it. I know it sounds perhaps an odd thing to say, but we spend a lot of time in work. And if you don't enjoy it, that's pretty hard going. So try and do something that you enjoy. I think the other thing is about fit. We all pursue different jobs and look for promotion through our career. But what we often don't do enough of is to think about whether we fit somewhere. So is the organisation and its culture and how it operates, is that really going to suit us or not? And I think you need to make some brave decisions. If you end up in an organisation where you really don't feel like you fit in, it just doesn't work for you, then you need to say, no, that's not going to work, and you move on and try and find somewhere better that is a better fit. And that's all that part of it about enjoying what you do. And I think it is about recognising that sometimes you might make a wrong decision. You might go down a route and you think, actually, no, I've done something wrong here. And you just be brave enough to say, no, I'm going to go and do something else. And similarly, you might look at jobs or roles and think, well, I'm not sure if I'm ready for that. And sometimes you just got to be a bit brave and go for it and see how it works out. Perhaps sometimes take a little bit of a risk, because those things can sometimes pay off and lead you into really interesting areas. So